320 grams puff pastry. Roll the puff pastry open. Hello my friends and welcome to my channel. From which country are you watching my channel? Let me know in the comments. Let's mark the puff pastry without cutting completely. Mark the puff pastry into 4 equal parts without cutting completely. Spread with Nutella on the 2 inner bands. Subscribe my channel, give us a like and share the video. Brush with water the outer lanes. Spread sugar on the strips that were brushed with water. Fold the first strips towards the middle. Brush with water. Spread more sugar over the puff pastry. Fold the puff pastry once more. Brush with water once more. Spread a bit more sugar. Cut the puff pastry the thickness of a finger. Place the slices of puff pastry face up on a tray. Brush with water. Sprinkle a bit more sugar on top. Bake at 170 degrees Celsius or 340 degrees Fahrenheit until golden brown. Perfect! Enjoy! Hello my friends and welcome to my channel. From which country are you watching my channel? Let me know in the comments. For eggs. If you like to have an amazing Japanese knife like this one, you can find the link below on description. 250 grams sugar. Mix well for about 10 minutes with a blender. Subscribe my channel and give us a like and share the video. Thank you. $280 grams plain flour. Sift the flour well. Mix well. With the help of 2 spoons, place it on the tray. I use parchment paper. You can create balls with the dough or fill the tray completely. I prefer to fill and spread the dough across the board. Subscribe my channel and give us a like and share the video. Thank you. Sprinkle cinnamon powder on top. Bake at 180 degrees Celsius or 355 degrees Fahrenheit for about 15 minutes. Perfect! Amazing! Enjoy!